Simple Cert. Build your templates, send your certificates, store your data. In Simple Cert, the combination of a certificate design and its corresponding notification email is called a Cert Set. Your first step in setting up a Simple Cert account will be to create a Cert Set. Once you have created your Cert Set, you will then use it to create and send certificates. When you sign up for a free account, you will automatically be able to design one Cert Set within your account. For most accounts, a single certificate design and notification email is all that is needed. However, if you have multiple certificate designs that are graphically different, you may want to consider purchasing additional Cert Sets for your account. This will allow you to create certificates using as many different designs as you need. To purchase additional Cert Sets, first navigate to the Build module of your account, and on the left side click on Purchase Cert Sets. Note that to purchase additional Cert Sets, you must first have your credit card information saved into your account. Cert Sets are available for a one-time cost of $29 per each template that you wish to purchase. Simply select the number of additional Cert Sets that you wish to purchase within the drop-down and then select Purchase. When you add additional Cert Sets to your account, they will forever be available for your use. In the Build module, you can click on Create New to begin the process to build a new template, or you may save time and effort by simply copying your existing Cert Set as a starting point for your new design. Once you have purchased additional Cert Sets, just click on the duplicate Cert Set icon that will appear at the top left corner of your current template. Name your new design, and your new template will automatically be created as an identical copy of your original Cert Set design. From here, it's easy to go into the builder for your new template and make any changes or updates needed.